Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss median. It is one of the measure of central tendency and it is a positional average. Going by the definition, the median is the middle number. I have already told you in the previous videos that median means the middle number. And for finding median we have to arrange the data either in the ascending order or in the descending order. Ascending order means lower to higher and descending order means higher to lower. First of all, we have to arrange the data set. If the data set is mixed up, we have to arrange it and sort it in ascending order, or we have to arrange it in descending order, and then we have to apply all those formulas which are given. It is a type of positional average which shows the position. To determine the median value in a sequence of numbers, the numbers first must be sorted or arranged in the value order from lowest to highest or highest to lowest. Now, like mean, in mean we have different formulas. We have three types of series: individual series, discrete series, and continuous series. And in individual series, we can apply direct formula, direct method, shortcut method, or step deviation method. All in all, we have three methods for calculating mean. But in case of median, we only have one method for each type of series. For individual series, we have one formula. For discrete series, we have one formula. And for continuous series, we have only one formula. So calculating median is simple as compared to calculating mean. Now, first of all, we'll discuss the individual series. Now, in case of individual series, you have to see that whether your n is even or your n that is number of observation, whether your number of observations are even or your number of observations are odd. If the number of observations are odd, then the formula will be this, that is median is equals to n plus 1 by 2. This th is that value showing nth value. Like we have, suppose n is 7, then 7 plus 1 divided by 2, which will come to as 4th. That means 4th value, not only 4. If this 4 comes, then this is not your median. This shows the position of median. Like in this question, find median 3, 13, 2, 34, 11, 26 and 47. First of all, we have to arrange the data in ascending or descending order. So I would recommend you to arrange the data in ascending order. See, we have arranged the data in the ascending order: 2, 3, 11, 13, 26, 34 and 47. Our n is 7, it comes out to be 4th. This 4 is not your median. This 4 is not your median. It is the position of your median. This 4th shows the position. That is why it is written as 4th. It shows the position of your median. So 1, 2, 3 and this 4th. This 13 is our median. So in this way you will find the median in case of odd n. Now, if our n is even, if the number of observations are even, then we have to apply this formula. This looks quite big, but it is simple. N by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1. There is a difference. N plus 1 by 2 and n by 2 plus 1. They are different. In n by 2, suppose in the last case we have 7 plus 1 by 2. This comes out to be 4. And in this way, 7 by 2 plus 1. It will come out to be as 7, 3.5. So it will be 4.5. and 4. So don't confuse it. N plus 1 by 2 and n by 2 plus 1. N plus 1 by 2 and n by 2 plus 1. They are different. So n by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1 divided by 2. So now we have 3, 13, 2, 34, 11, 26, 47 and 51. We'll arrange it in ascending order. So it comes out to be 2, 3, 11, 13, 26, 34 and 47 and 51. Our n is 8. So it will be 8 by 2 plus 8 by 2 plus 1, and this whole is divided by 2. So it will be fourth value plus 4 plus 1 यानी कि fifth value divided by 2. Now search for the fourth value and the fifth value. In the series, search fourth value. 1, 2, 3. This 13 is fourth and this 26 is fifth. So 13 plus 26 whole divided by 2. So it comes out to be 19.5. So in this way you will find the median in case of n is even. When the n is odd, there is a different formula, and when the n is even, there is a different formula. Now another series is discrete series. In case of discrete series and in case of continuous series, there is no even or odd. This even or odd category only appears to be in individual series. In case of discrete series, we only have one formula, and that is this one. And there is one more thing, that is cumulative frequency. So how will you calculate? First of all, you have to arrange the data in ascending or descending order. Then you have to calculate the cumulative frequency of each of those observations, and then you have to apply this formula. This formula will show you the position of your median. Like in this question, we have pocket of expenses, number of children. Pocket of expenses are x, number of children. Always number, if there is mentioned number, then it will be always frequency. So number of children are frequency. So 10, 15, 8, 20, 25, 18, 12, 13, 8, 10, 3, 15. So draw the table. Pocket of expenses x, arrange it in ascending order. Number of children, फ्रीक्वेंसी को अरेंज मत कर दीजिएगा, इसके पर्टिकुलर ये जैसे 10 के साथ में 12 है, 8 के साथ में 8, 25 के साथ में 3. सो ऑब्जर्वेशंस को और फ्रीक्वेंसीज को एक साथ में पेयर में लेके चलना है. नाउ we'll calculate the cumulative frequency. So how will you calculate the cumulative frequency? First frequency is cumulative frequency का मतलब होता है accumulate होना. Accumulate मतलब इकट्ठा होना. So it will add up the previous values. In first value we don't have any other value. Now when we come to second value, so here 12 plus 8, right? 12 plus previous frequency 8, so it comes out to be 20. Now the previous value plus the frequency of another class, so here 20 plus 13, that is 33. So in this way you will calculate the cumulative frequency. This last cumulative frequency, now whether you have done it correctly or not, you can check it by here. The last cumulative frequency will be equal to your frequency total, that is sigma f. The last cumulative frequency will be always equals to sigma f, that is n. Okay, so we have done the table work. Now we'll apply the formula. Median number m is equals to n plus 1 by 2. So n is sigma f. So 61 plus 1 divided by 2, that is 62 divided by 2, it comes out to be 31st value. Now this 31st, how will you locate the 31st value? Now search for this 31. ये क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी जो आपको दी हुई है, इसमें आपको सर्च करना है, या तो 31 आपको मिल जाए क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी में, और यू गेट द हायर वैल्यू, इमीडिएट हायर वैल्यू देन 31. सो लुक, देयर इज नो 31 बट देयर इज 33 which is immediately higher than 31. Search for the 31st value. If it is not present, then search for the immediate higher value than this 31. So 33 is the immediate higher value. So this will be our median, either 31 or a number that is immediately higher than 31. this cumulative frequency 33 for the value 15. So median is 15. In this way you will find the median in case of discrete series. Now we will discuss the continuous series. In case of continuous series, we will find the median class or the position of median by the formula n by 2. No n plus 1 by 2, no n by 2 plus 1, only n by 2. And this is the formula for calculating median. L1 plus n by 2 minus Cf whole divided by f multiplied by I. You can write it I, or you can also use h, height. Here in this, Cf represents cumulative frequency of the class above median class. Above मतलब median class के ऊपर वाला. अभी दिखाऊंगा कैसे. Interval is upper limit minus lower limit, or you can also call it h or height. H means height. Interval upper limit minus lower limit. F is the frequency of the median class. Median class is very important. L1 is the lower limit of the median class. Cf is the cumulative frequency above the median class. Interval upper limit minus lower limit. F is the frequency of the median class, and L1 is the lower limit of the median class. This is the question. Always arrange the data of the continuous series in ascending order, otherwise the formula will be changed. So make it a habit, arrange the data in ascending order always. First we'll write the class, then frequency, and then we'll calculate the CF like we have done in the previous question. 6, then previous frequencies added up. 6 plus 7, then 13, then 13 plus 15, 28, 28 plus 16, 44, 44 plus 4, 48, 48 plus 2, 50. So 50 and 50. तो हम लोग को पता चल गया कि हम लोगों का जो हमने कैलकुलेट किया CF, it is absolutely correct. Now we'll apply the formulas. First of all, we have to locate the median class. For locating median class, we have to apply this formula. Sigma f is equals to 50, and the median class formula is n by 2. So 50 by 2, that is 25. So अब ये 25 कहाँ ढूंढना है हम लोगों को? We'll search for this term in the cumulative frequency. Either we'll get 25, or we have to get the number which is immediately higher than 25. So can you find 25 here? In this case, no. So the number which is immediately higher than the 25 is 28. So our median class is this, 20 to 30. So we have located the median class, right? Now CF, we'll apply the formula. In the above data, cumulative frequency of the 20 to 30 is 28, which is slightly greater than 25. So median class is 20 to 30. Now we'll apply the complete formula. Median is equals to L1 plus n by 2 minus CF upon f into height or interval. So in this case, lower limit, median class की lower limit क्या थी? 20 to 30. So lower limit is 20, n is 50, CF is 13, height means upper limit minus lower limit, that is 30 minus 20, that is 10, and f is the frequency of median class. This 13 is here. What was our median class? This 20 to 30. So CF will be this 13. CF is the cumulative frequency of the class immediately above median class. Now after putting the values, 20 plus 50 by 2, that is 25 minus 13 into upon 50 into 10, it comes out to be 28. So in this way you will calculate the median in case of continuous series. So we have discussed the individual series, discrete series, and the continuous series. We have only one formula for or one method for each type of series.